Now you are denying all of this.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are denying that you bought this.
I did not bought that, Your Honor.
So sino bumili nito?
I don't know, Your Honor.
And you are Chief of Police of Cagayan de Oro City.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung taga ron ka, kilala mo yung mga negosyante doon. Am I right?
Not all, sir, Your Honor.
Hindi mo kilala to. Tony Yang, kapatid ni Michael Yang at kapatid ni Hojing Yang na nagkaroon ng transaksyon kay Alice Go through a financial transaction of almost 3.3 billion. Wala kang kilala sa tatlong yan na magkakapatid?
Wala po.
Wala kang kilala talaga
wala
dyan?
Po, wala
sa
po,
mga
wala
yan?
Po. Wala
Itong
po.
si Hojing Yang na nakatransact mo through bank transactions?
Never ko po siya nakatransact po, Your Honor.
Nagsasabi kaya ng totoo o magaling lang umarte? Panoorin ang buong detalye